Amit Shah, the Home Minister, has also reacted to this incident and he has expressed his condolences and assured all help to the family. We've put out his tweet also on our screens. Remember the death toll in this accident, which we are telling you, far as a tempo traveller is concerned, which fell into a deep gorge near Rudraprayag, has risen to 10. 4 people have been seriously injured and they have been referred to a higher center, AIIMS Rishikesh, as my colleague was telling us. There are 9 others who are injured. Unfortunately, the number possibly could increase. Abhishek, we're talking about how the number of those who have lost their lives possibly, or there is still a possibility that it could increase, injured are admitted in the hospital. Now we have a reaction coming in. Home Minister Amit Shah also has expressed and given his condolences. Okay, so we've lost that line with Abhishek, but Amit Shah has also expressed condolences. We are putting out his tweet also on our screens. Amit Shah, of course, saying that he will stand by, of course, all those accident victims and their kin. Remember, the Chief Minister has also taken stock of the situation. CM Dhami has taken stock of the entire situation. Terrible news coming in, of course, from Uttarakhand, talking about the death toll. That's likely to increase and this incident happened, viewers, when this tempo traveller fell into a deep gorge. This was near Rudraprayag. That number, the death toll, has risen. 4 people have been seriously injured and those are the ones who have been admitted to a higher center. In fact, talking about Amit Shah's reaction and tweet, which we've put out on our screen, he said, and I quote verbatim, "Received the sad news of the road accident in Rudraprayag, Uttarakhand. My condolences are with the family of those who lost their lives in this accident. Local administration and SDRF teams are engaged in relief and rescue work and all possible help is being provided to those injured. I pray to God for speedy recovery of all those who are injured." So that's the reaction which has come from the side of Amit Shah. Chief Minister has also taken stock of the situation. We are putting out the latest as far as this accident is concerned on our screens. Death toll, very unfortunate news coming in, is increasing. The reason for the accident, far as what we know at the moment, is seems to be rather the vehicle losing its control. My colleague Abhishek is on the phone line with us. Abhishek, अमित शाह जी ने भी इस पे एक रिएक्शन दिया है. जो सड़क दुर्घटना हुई है उत्तराखंड के रुद्रप्रयाग में, उन्होंने कहा है ये बहुत दुखद समाचार है और इस हादसे में जान गंवाने वालों के परिजनों के साथ सरकार कंधे से कंधा मिला के खड़ी है.
जी बिल्कुल, देखिए अमित शाह जी ने अभी जैसा कहा और अभी हमारे उत्तराखंड के मुख्यमंत्री पुष्कर सिंह धामी ने तुरंत एक्शन लेते हुए हेलीकॉप्टर भेजा और एम्स में उन्हें तुरंत रेफर करा दिया. ये अपने आप में एक ये भी दिखाता है कि तुरंत कार्यवाही करते हुए पुष्कर सिंह धामी सरकार ने एक्शन लिया और ये एक्शन अपने आप में बहुत कुछ दिखाई देता है. जैसा कि ऋषिकेश में वहां से जो दूरी है ऋषिकेश और जो एक्सीडेंट का जगह है, ये तकरीबन 150 से पौने 200 किलोमीटर की दूरी है. तो उन्होंने सबसे पहले प्राथमिक तौर पे उनकी जान बचाना आवश्यक समझा, जिसकी वजह से हेली के द्वारा उन्हें वहां पहुंचाया गया. देखिए, डेथ टोल की अगर हम बात करें तो वो बढ़ सकता है, क्योंकि ये बेहद मैंने कहा आपसे कि बेहद खतरनाक एक्सीडेंट था. ये शिला के ऊपर पूरा ट्रैवलर गिरा है, जिसकी वजह से जो संख्या है वो आने वाले समय में बढ़ सकती है, क्योंकि ये जो ऊंचाई थी वे भी बहुत ज्यादा थी. देखिए, ये जो घटनाक्रम के बारे में अगर हम बात कर रहे थे, लोगों से भी हमारी बात हुई तो उनका सीधे रूप से कहना है कि जो 4 धाम यात्रा में जो ड्राइवर्स चलते हैं वो ज्यादा चक्कर काटने की वजह से भी काफी चक्कर काट लेते हैं, जिसकी वजह से उनकी नींद पूरी नहीं होती. और
those are possible reasons. Obviously, all of those are a part rather of a probe. But thank you for joining us with all these details. Obviously, latest update coming in, tragic and terrible news from Uttarakhand. A tempo traveller falling into a gorge, 10 people losing their life, 4 seriously injured, referred to a higher center. Chief Minister Dhami has taken stock of the situation and the Home Minister has expressed his condolences.